in Indian Law Institute guest house just outside the Supreme Court. And the whole area was blocked by the police. Why? Because there was a jamboree of particular community who came to get out the Supreme Court. Now, if this is the system adopted in this country, how this country can function? So, I want to tell Dr. Shraddha that these topics are not to be debated. The CAA is to be accepted by the people. 370, 35A is to be accepted by the people of this country because these are good laws. The mistake, though I belong to a particular political party, but I have my views as a citizen of this country. We made mistake for 70 years. And why we should continue with these mistakes? 370 and 35A. It is there in the Constitution. Constitution has been amended. And it is not people across the border to dictate to us what we should do. What should we do about laws passed by our parliament? Any law passed by the parliament, whether the opposition oppose or not, it is to be accepted because these are the laws of the country. If I don't want to vote for a prime minister, if that prime minister is not of my party, but he is my prime minister, he is prime minister of India. I think this logic should be understood.